Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can catch this gingerbread crab on Christmas Island and fish it. So this festive crustacean is a rare find in the Fish It holiday update, and you'll need the right spot and bait to lure him out. So for the fishing spots, actually there are a few fishing spots where you can get the crab. The first one is inside the Christmas Island in here. You can go fish in here, and also I actually got the crab in another spot, but I think that the previous one also got the crab. So the next spot is in front of the Christmas Island in here where you see the ocean. This is where you can get the crab, and the last spot you can also get it from the cave if it's open inside the cave in here. I think now it's open because it's already 1 p.m. so I'm going to get inside. And for the rod, I'm using the ghost fin rod with Kaura bait. Okay, so it's open. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.